The vibe here is always fantastic, guys. Listen. Amazing. I want to find a bit hidden restaurants if I can, if we can find some kebab place or something here. So we were there and now we are on this road, but don't understand if we passed here or not. Yeah, this is the P there. Yeah. Okay guys, let's see what we can find here. Oh, this is... I know, brother, I come after. Thank you. But we're reaching the end. I'm actually thinking, guys, to go again to that restaurant because it was really good. What do you think? Yes, guys, I decided to go in the restaurant we went yesterday because there was an amazing vibe, amazing food. Why not? If we don't find anything better, might as well go in the same place, right? Yeah. Yeah, let's cross here and let's see what we can find, guys. I don't know, probably might have more choices. I don't know. There is this restaurant. I don't know if it's good or not. Very old, 1991. Okay, might make something good, no? What do you think? How is the food, guys? Is good? Is good the food? Yes? Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. You make doner kebab? Doner.
Turkish kebab spicy, no spicy, patlıcan,
No, no.
tomato, lamb,
Doner.
chicken,
Doner.
finish.
Finish doner.
Turkish lentil soup, chicken soup.
No chorba. I don't like chorba. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ciao. Alright, guys. They didn't have the doner kebab, so let's go in the same restaurant, I guess. I mean, we know at least that it's good. So yeah, why not? Might take something different though this time, because, you know, just to change. Let's see. To be honest with you guys, I don't remember what that place is. I think we lost it. I don't know if it's this road or... I guess yes, why not? Yeah, I think it's this road, guys. I hope, at least. Really undecided tonight, undecisive, you know, about the restaurant, where to eat. Okay, guys, found it. It's that one. Let's go and eat it. The doner kebab. Or something else, I don't know. We will decide now. They recognize me, guys. I will show you again the menu, guys, just to have an idea. 200 lira is roughly 4 euros or 4 USD. My take today, I don't know, what do you think, guys? What should we take? Definitely the Lahmacun. You see, the prices are really convenient. 90 Turkish lira, I think is really, really good. Let's take the Adana kebab, this one. Adana Dürüm with chicken and the Lahmacun. What do you think, guys? Because I really liked it yesterday. Amici miei, here we are. I already started to eat. Super, super good, as always, like yesterday. Really, really good. I suggest you this like doner. Don't ask for the Adana if you don't like lamb and beef. You have to specifically ask for the doner with chicken, because the Adana one, Adana kebab, Adana Dürüm, is with lamb and beef. So if you don't like lamb and beef, don't order the Adana one, but order specifically the chicken one. And Lahmacun here, the Turkish pizza, is amazing. Amici miei, exactly like yesterday, I'm full, but I will not leave this one. Super good. Finish, guys. Fantastic. I chose this place for my last night here in Istanbul, Turkey, because I knew it was good. So yeah, if you are around here in this zone, Beyazit, I think it's called, come here and eat in this place. And now we're gonna go there to eat some sweets and good baklava. Amici miei, done, finished, and now we go in front. Thank you. Ciao. All right, let's cross now. Coming the car. It's coming another car. Let's go in this place. I came back. I'm good. Can I take 3? One. One with chocolate, one with pistachio, and one with walnut. No, Kadaif, I don't like. Yeah, with walnuts, chocolate, and pistachio. Thank you. I sit in front. Tea. Thank you. Everyone remembers me, guys. I'm the YouTube guy, I think. That's why they remember me. 3 pieces of baklava and a chai. Turkish tea can get any better than this. I'm in paradise, guys, here in Istanbul. I'm actually thinking to move here. What do you think? Like to spend 2-3 months here, no? To live somewhere close to the pier, close to the sea. Here we are, amici miei, the chai, chocolate baklava, pistachio baklava, hazelnut baklava. Amazing. You know me, guys. I ordered other 3 pieces. too good to be true, to be honest. This place is really amazing, mind-blowing. I'm super happy I found it. By the way, I'm thinking to start a blog, so I'm doing the vlog now to start like a website for traveling. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It helps a lot the channel. Thank you guys. You can't understand, guys, if you don't try the original baklava. If you have a Turkish shop close to you and you never ate baklava, go and eat it. At least you try. Might not be the original taste, but yeah, I suggest you really to come to Istanbul, in Turkey or Türkiye, and try baklava and kadayif. I didn't take kadayif. I'm not a big fan of kadayif. So there is the call to prayer. I don't know if you can hear it, guys. And the gentleman stopped the music. It's really an important moment for Muslim people, for all the believers. So they stop the music and they really focus on prayers. Second tea finished. Tomorrow we got the flight at 6:30 p.m. in the afternoon, but it takes like 2 hours to get to the airport. All right, guys, let's go and pay now. Thank you. Bye bye. Amici miei, I was thinking, since there are open some shops, how about we look for some more tea, but probably a different brand? I don't know, like tea shop.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, hello. You have chai?
Chai?
Tea bags? No, no Lipton, Rize. From Rize. No, huh? Thank you. I mean, we cannot just simply go to the hotel like this, guys, because we eat a lot. So really, we can go like this to lay in beds. Let's just move a bit more and try to find that another brand of chai, of Turkish chai. I saw a huge shop somewhere there. Let's see if it's this one, the right shop. Okay, let's see. Ah, they have Rize. Wow, this is huge. Tourist chai. No, I don't like tourist chai. Okay, these are very huge, guys. Yeşil chai. Yeşil, I think, is yellow. It's the same in Albanian. Yeşil is the color. This one, I mean. Yeşil. You see, it's the color. Yellow tea. Alright, the gentleman did not have it. We went on that zone earlier and there was nothing. I guess we're gonna check tomorrow morning, guys. Let's see if the gentleman has it. I don't see it, guys, to be honest. Do you see it? I really don't. Ah, it's up there. It's up there, but they have the same, guys. Tomorrow morning, Eastern. Okay, tomorrow morning, guys. Couldn't find it. Guys, I see a shop there. Few shops are open at this time. It's 11 p.m. Best? What is that? It's like a food supermarket or what? Guys, it's closed, like the thing. I have to go all around. Oh boy. Look at this place. I think it's like a bakery. Fistic means pistachio, if I remember good. You see, it's everything closed here, guys, so I couldn't go. Let's go in this shop here. Let's see if they have the tea, the chai. Look. Guys, I think they don't have it. Right, nice up here, but I don't see the Rize, guys. Nothing, guys. Thank you. Let's go now, guys, to the hotel because I lost hope. I can't find the tea tonight. Tomorrow morning we'll see when everything will be open. We were looking like I don't know in how many places for the barber, and we just had it across the road from our hotel, guys. I hope it is the road. Do you confirm, guys, that this is the road? I think yes. Full of hotels here. I told you, Prague Hotel, Ria Hotel, I think is another one. Then there is our hotel, all in this street. There is another shop here, guys. Let's see, last one close to the hotel. Okay. Let's see if they have. I don't think so, guys. No. No. They have this one, but it's like tourist. I don't feel for it. That's it. Nothing. That was a huge trip to try to find the tea. But yeah, tomorrow morning we will for sure. And we already have 3 bags of Turkish tea. Doesn't matter, tomorrow we'll see.